Now our next question is question number 6. F of x equals to a1x plus a2x square and so on up to an x to the power n, where a1, a2 and all up to an is equals to 0. All these are 0. a1, a2 up to an equals to 0. Then it is called we have studied in fourth question that if the coefficients of a polynomial are 0, then it is called a zero polynomial. That's why if here a1, a2, a3 up to an are the coefficients and they are given as 0, so it is a zero polynomial. So our option is first, zero polynomial. Other options are quadratic, cubic, linear, but here it is not given as, and it is coefficients are given 0. That's why it is a zero polynomial only. Now, seventh question. Among the following, a trinomial is? It is a multi-correct type question. So, first option is 8x square minus 3x plus 2. Second one is x cube minus 3x. Third one is 2x minus 3x square plus 2. And fourth option is x to the power 4 plus x to the power 2 plus 2. So which among the following is a trinomial? Trinomial means having 3 terms. So which among the following has 3 terms? First option has 3 terms. 1, 2 and 3. 3 terms. Here in the second option there are only 2 terms. So it is not a trinomial. In the third option there are 3 terms. 1, 2 and 3. So it is also a trinomial. In fourth option there are 1, 2 and 3. 3 terms. There it is also a trinomial. So our options will be 1, 3 and 4. It is a multi-correct type question. So trinomials are first option, third option and fourth option. Now next question is, which of the following is a polynomial? X square plus 3x plus 7. Second one is 9x cube plus 3 upon 7 x square plus 5. Third one is 3 upon x plus 5 upon x square. And fourth one is 2026 x square minus 2027 x plus 1 by 2 x cube. So which of the following is a polynomial? So let us see first option. It is a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression having positive integral power. Power is positive. So it is a polynomial. In second option, power is positive. Here power of x is 3, power of x is 2 and power are positive. So it is also polynomial. In the third option, power of x is, here power of x is 1. But if we take x in the numerator, it will be 3x to the power minus 1 plus 5x to the power minus 2. The powers are negative. We don't want power as negative in polynomials. So it is also not a polynomial. In the fourth option, here power is 2, here power is 1, here power is 3. So this is also a polynomial. We can take numbers as fraction, but we don't want the power of variables as fraction or negative integers. We only want positive integers. So first, third, second and fourth are polynomials. Okay. Now, ninth question. Two statements are given. Degree of the polynomial 7x to the power 5 minus 8x to the power 6 plus 4x cube plus 7. Degree is given as 6. So is it true? Degree is the highest power of the variable in the expression. Here, highest power of variable is 6. So it is the degree of this polynomial. So it is a correct statement. Now second statement is 0 of the polynomial 4x minus 3 is 3 by 4. Let us check it. If 0 of the polynomial, this polynomial, 0 of this polynomial is 3 by 4, then we have to equate it. We can check it by equating it to 0 with 0. So what it will be? 4x is equals to 3 and x will be 3 by 4. What we have get? X equals to 3 by 4. That means it is the 0 of this polynomial, 4x minus 3. That means it is also a correct statement. That means both the statements first and second are true. Now, 10th question. The degree of 0 is degree of 0 means degree of 0 polynomial is. Always remember, degree of 0 polynomial is always not defined. So our option will be fourth, not defined. Now 11th question. The degree of the polynomial x plus x square plus x to the power 5. Now the degree of this polynomial is, now what is the degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable in the expression. So highest power here is 5. Therefore degree of this polynomial will be 5. So our option is 5. Now next question. The degree of 10 p cube q square r cube and s to the power 7 is. Now it is a one term only. It is a monomial. So how is degree calculated? Degree is calculated by adding these powers. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7. What we will get? We will get degree as 15. So degree of this term, of this polynomial, that is monomial, is 15. We can get it by adding these powers. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 is 15. So degree will be 15. Now our next question is matrix match type. The polynomial x square plus x is. X square plus x is. First is given as binomial. It is a binomial. It has two terms. Binomial is a two-term expression, so it is a binomial. Now second, it is a multinomial. What is multinomial? Multinomial is a expression having two or more terms. That means it has two terms, therefore it is a multinomial. And third one is given as cubic. Is it a cubic polynomial? No. Cubic polynomials means having degree 3. So it is not a cubic polynomial. Fourth one, a quadratic. Quadratic means having degree as 2. So it has a degree 2. Yeah, it has a degree 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial also. And next one is trinomial. Is it a trinomial? No, because it is a binomial. Trinomial means having 3 terms. It has only 2 terms, so it is only a binomial. So options are P, Q and S. Now next one. If a monomial 2 by 5 x square y cube and a binomial 2x plus 3y and a trinomial 2x plus 3y plus 4z are added. 2x plus 3y plus 4z are added. Monomial, binomial and this trinomial. If these terms are added, what we will get? Let us see. 2 by 5 x square y cube plus 2x plus 3y plus 2x plus 3y plus 4z. So we can add only the variables having same power. So we can't add these terms with any term because none of the terms have x square and y cube are having degree 2 and 3. So we can't add it to anyone. So it will be as it is. Now 2x having power 1. Another term is this 2x. We can add this because it has power of variable as same. So 2x plus 2x will be 4x. Now 3y, we have 3y plus 3y. What it will be 6y. Now 4z, it is a lonely, so it will be 4z. It can't be added with anyone. So what we have get? 2 by 5 x square y cube plus 4x plus 6y plus 4z. So what it will be? It is a binomial? No, it has 4 terms. Binomial is only 2 terms. Is it a multinomial? Yeah, it is a multinomial because it has 2 and more than 2 or more than 2 terms. It has 4 terms. So it is also a multinomial. Is it a cube? Is it a cubic polynomial? No. It has degree as 5. So it is not a cubic polynomial. Is it a quadratic polynomial? No. Quadratic polynomial have degree 2. It has a degree 5. So it is not a quadratic polynomial. Is it a trinomial? No. It has 4 terms. It can't be a trinomial. So it is only a multinomial. That is Q option. Okay. Now third one. Value of A, B and C are given and A plus B plus C is to be calculated. Let us see. A is given as 3x plus 5y minus 7z. B is given as 2x minus 6y plus 7z. C is given as 5x plus y plus 2z. And we have to add this A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. We have to add it A plus B plus C. What is A? 3x plus 5y minus 7z. Now B is 2x minus 6y plus 7z. What is C? 5x plus y plus 2z. So what we will get? Add the like terms. Here it is 3x, it 5x. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10. We get 10x. What about y? Here it is 5y minus 6y plus y. 5y minus 6y is minus y, and minus y plus y will get 0. So y will not be there. 0 y plus. Now let us see the z terms. Minus 7z plus 7z. It will get 0. Minus 7z plus 7z is equals to 0. What is remaining? Plus 2z. So what we will get? 10x plus 2z. So what we have got? 10x plus 2z. Is it a binomial? Yeah. It is a binomial because it has two terms. Is it a multinomial? Yeah. Multinomial is having two or more terms. So it is also a multinomial. Now, is it a cubic polynomial? No. Cubic polynomial means having degree 3. It is not a cubic polynomial. Is it a quadratic polynomial? No. It does not have degree 2. Is it a trinomial? No. It has only two terms, so it is only a binomial. So options are P and Q. Binomial and multinomial. Now next one, D. The polynomial x cube plus 6x minus 4. You have asked what are they? Is it a binomial? No. It has three terms, so it is a trinomial. So, is it a multinomial? Yeah, it has three terms, more than two terms. Two or more than terms is a multinomial. So, it is also a multinomial. Now, is it a cubic polynomial? Yeah, cubic polynomial have degree 3. It have a degree 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. So our options are Q, R and T. Q, R and T. Trinomial, multinomial and cubic polynomial. Okay? Now, next question, 14th question. P of x is given as 3x square plus 5x minus 8. Then P of 1 is asked. What we have to do? We have to just put 1 in place of x. So just put 1 in place of x. What we will get? 3 multiplied by 1 square plus 5 multiplied by 1 minus 8. 1 square is 1. What we will get? 3 plus 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and minus 8. What we will get? 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 8. That is 0. What we have got? P of 1 as 0. So our answer will be 0. Okay? Now, next question. The degree of the polynomial. Again ask the degree of the polynomial. T to the power 4 minus t cube plus 2t minus 3t to the power 6. Now again, the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable in the expression. What is your highest power? 4, 3, 1 or 6? 6. So degree of this polynomial will be 6. So our option is first, 6. Now next question. If a minus 2x square plus b minus cx plus 5 is a quadratic polynomial. Here it is given as it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means having degree 2. Then the value of a should not be. It is asked that value of a should not be what? If the degree is given as 2, that means a should not be. A should not. If we put a as 2, let us take the options. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we put a as 1, what we will get? 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 x square plus. Here we get degree as 2. If we put a as 2, what we will get? 2 minus 2. What it will be? 0 x square. That means 0. But if we want degree as 2, it get 0 here. If we put 3 here, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 1 x square. Here also we are getting degree as 2. In fourth option, if we put a as 4, it will be 4 minus 2, that is 2 x square. What we are getting degree as 2. Here also we are getting degree as 2. Here also we are getting degree as 2. So what should not be a? That means what it is given as degree is 2. So what should not be a? A should not be 2. So why? Because if we take a as 2, it will get cancelled. Degree will not be 2. So a should not be 2. So say option number second, a should not be equals to 2. Now multi-corrected. The zeros of the polynomial x square minus 7x plus 12. We have to find the zeros of this polynomial. How we will find? We have to split the middle term in such a way that its sum should be minus 7x and multiplication should be 12. What are those terms? Those terms are minus 3 and minus 4. See, the sum of minus 3 and minus 4 is coming as minus 7, middle term, and multiplication of minus 3 and minus 4 is coming as 12. That is the constant term. So we are getting minus 3 and minus 4. We can split it as minus 3x and minus 4x plus 12. So take the x common from first two terms. X in the bracket x minus 3. In second bracket it will be also x minus 3. What we have it common? Minus 4 we have it common, and it will be minus 4x plus 12. It is same. So what will be? X minus 3 and x minus 4 are equals to 0. We have to find the polynomial, 0 of this polynomial. So we have to equate it by 0. So x minus 3 and x multiplied by x minus 4 are 0. So what will be? X minus 3 is equals to 0 and x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x will be 3 and here x will be 4. So what we have got? Zeros of this polynomial are 3 and 4. So first option is 3 and 4. Now second option is, one is composite and other is prime. See, 4 is composite 3 is a prime number. Prime means that have 1 as a factor and itself is a factor. Composite means that are not prime. But 1 is not neither composite, neither prime. Composite means that have the factors 1 itself and many more factors. More than 2 factors. And that means it is in prime and composite also. Third option, 2 consecutive natural numbers between 2 and 5. They are consecutive, they are coming one after another. They are consecutive natural numbers between 2 and 5. They are between 2 and 5, 3 and 4 are between 2 and 5. So third option will be correct also. Now fourth option, it is a co-primes. Co-primes means that will not come in the table of one another. That means they have the common factor as one only. 3 and 4 have common factor as 1 and they 3 and 4 does not come in each other's table. So they are co-primes. So all the options are correct. 3 and 4 zeros of the polynomial are 3 and 4 and they are composite and prime. For third option is 2, they are 2 consecutive natural numbers between 2 and 5 and also they are co-primes. 3 and 4 are co-primes. So all the 4 options are correct. Now next one. If 2 and 3 are zeros of the polynomial 3x square minus 2kx plus 2m. 2 and 3 are given as polynomials. That means here it is a p of x. Polynomial p of x. If we take polynomial this p of x as 3x square minus 2x plus 2m. That means p of 2 and 3 are zeros of polynomial. That means p of 2 will be 0 and p of 3 will also be 0. So let us check. P of 2. Just put 2 instead of x in this expression. What we will get? 3 multiplied by x square means 2 square minus 2k x is 2 plus 2m. What we will get? 2 square is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 minus 2 2s are 4 k plus 2m is equals to 0. As it is a 0 of the polynomial. So this is our first equation. Now p of 3 is also 0 of this polynomial. So let us put x as 3. P of 3 will be, just put 3 instead of x. What we will get? 3 multiplied by 3 square minus 2k. X is 3 plus 2m. What we will get? 3 square is 9. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Minus 3 to the 6 plus 6k plus 2m is equals to 0. So we have got our second equation. So we can solve it by as we solve linear equation, but we can also equate it because this one is also equals to 0 and this one is also equals to 0. So what we can equate 1 and 2. 12 minus 4k plus 12 is equals to 27 minus 6k plus 2m. what we will get? Let us take the k and m one side and constants to other side. What we will get? Minus 4k plus 6k plus 2m, and here plus 2m, here we will get minus 2m is equals to 27. 12 here is plus 12. If we take it here, we will get minus 12. Now minus 4k plus 6k is 2k. Plus 2m minus 2m, we will get 0. So is equals to 27 minus 12 is 15. So k will be equals to 15 upon 2. So there is only one option with k equals to 15 upon 2. Anyway, we can check it, but by putting the value of k equals to 15 upon 2 in either of the equation. We are putting it k equals to 15 upon 2 in first equation. Minus, here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 15 2s are will be 30, plus 2 equals to 0. 2m. So 12 minus 30 will be minus 18 plus 2m equals to 0. 2m will be equals to 18. So m will be 18 upon 2, that is 9. What we will get? M equals to 9. So our option is second, k equals to 15 by 2 and m equals to 9. Now next question, the expression f of x equals to one upon x to the power 5 minus 2x square 2 upon x square plus 3 upon x cube minus 4 upon x to the power 5, x to the power 4. The expression, this expression should be multiplied with least degree term to make it a polynomial is, which will be a least degree term, so we can convert it into a polynomial. So we are writing options: x to the power 5, x to the power 4, x to the power 6 and x to the power 2. So if we multiply first option to this, to the whole term, what we will get? We will get x to the power 1 upon x to the power 5, x to the power 5 minus 2 upon x square multiplied by x to the power 5 plus 3 upon x cube multiplied by x to the power 5 minus 4 upon x to the power 4 multiplied by x to the power 5. What we will get? X to the power 5 will get cancelled. We will get here 1 minus x square, and here we will get x cube plus x cube will get cancelled with this cube, and here it is remaining x square plus 3x square minus 4x will get cancelled with 4x. Here it will be remaining 4x. So is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. if we multiply this term, second option is x to the power 4. If we multiply the whole term with x to the power 4, what we will get? We will get here 1 upon x plus minus 2 upon minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4. So it is a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. As it is having a degree 1. If we put it in numerator, it will be having degree as negative. So it is not a polynomial. So the least degree term is x to the power 5, where we can multiply it by to make it a polynomial. So option is x to the power 5. Now 20th question, the value of m cube plus n cube minus p cube minus 3mnp. At m equals to 4, n equals to minus 3 and p equals to 2. We have to put m equals to 4 and n equals to minus 3, p equals to 2. So what we will get? P 4 cube plus minus 3 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 m n p. So 4 cube is 64 minus 3 cube is minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. 3 3s are 9. It will be plus 9. 9 3s are 27 minus 27. So here it is minus 27 minus 2 cube is 8 minus 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24 and 24 3s are 72. Here it is minus, so it will be minus, and minus will get plus 72. What we get the answer as? We get the answer as 101. So option is S. Now next question, the value of 49x square minus 84xy plus 36y square at x equals to 2 and y equals to 3 is. We have to just put the value of x and y. X is equals to 2 and y is 3. So 49 multiplied by 4 minus 84 multiplied by 2 3s are 6 plus 36 3 3s is 9. Now 49 multiplied by 4 is 196 minus 84 multiplied by 6 is 494. Multiplied multiplied by 6 is 504. And 36 multiplied by 9 is 324. So we will get the answer as 60. So option is R. Now see the value of 81p square plus 16q square minus 72pq when p equals to 2 by 3 and q equals to 3 by 4 is, we have to just put the value of p and q. 2 by 3 whole square plus 16, q is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 whole square minus 72, 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 4. So 81 multiplied by 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 plus 16, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 minus 3 will get cancelled and we get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 72 upon 2. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 nines are 81. What it will be? 9 fours are 36. Here 16 upon 16 will get 1 and plus 9 minus 72 upon 2 is 36. So 36 minus 36 will be 0 and we will get as 9. So our option is 9, that is P. Now the last one, f of x equals to 2x cubed minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12. When f of minus 3, f x equals to minus 3, we have to just put x equals to minus 3. So f of minus 3 will be 2 multiplied by minus 3 cube minus 13 into minus 3 square plus 17 into minus 3 plus 12 equals to minus 3 cube is minus 27 minus 13. 3 minus 3 square is 9. Now 17 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 51 plus 12. So 27 twos are 54 minus 54 minus 117 minus 51 plus 12. We will get the answer as minus 210. So f of minus 3 will be minus 210. So we have done with the worksheet 1 of polynomials, and in the next class we will continue with the worksheet 2. Okay.